Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Azrin bin Effendi, nombor metrik 14 FTV 25F 1045.
Saya Muhammad Nordanish bermakna manja, nombor metrik 14 FTV 25F 1090.
Baiklah, hari ini kami ingin membentangkan tentang workshop topik iaitu fitting. Baiklah, mula-mula kita akan pergi ke agenda terlebih dahulu. Yang pertama, introduction fitting. Yang kedua, aim. Yang ketiga, equipment. Yang keempat, teori. Yang kelima, procedures safety. Yang keenam, work procedures. Yang ketujuh, result project, iaitu projek 1 gauge, projek 2 start. Yang terakhir sekali adalah reference.
For introduction about fitting, fitting is a fundamental process in manufacturing and mechanical engineering that involves assembling, adjusting, and finishing metal part to achieve to desired shape, size, and fit. It is commonly carried out in workshop using hand tools such as files, hacksaw, chisel, and measurement instrument. The main purpose of fitting is to ensure that different components fit together accurately and function properly in a mechanical system. The process often includes operating like cutting, filling, drilling, tapping, and grinding to remove excess material and improve surface finish. Fitting plays an important role in its production, precise and highly quality product, especially in industries such as automotive, aerospace, and machinery manufacturing. Skilled fitting work ensure strong joint, proper alignment, and efficient operation of machines. In short, fitting is essential for turning raw material into well-finished part that meet specific engineering requirement.
Baiklah. Seterusnya, kita akan pergi kepada aim. Yang pertama adalah safety, health, environment, and welfare in fitting workshop practice. Yang kedua, different parts of a hand tools and drilling machine. Yang ketiga, the procedure of fitting works. Yang terakhir sekali adalah skill using hand tools machine.
Sekarang, for the equipment, kami akan listkan equipment yang kami guna untuk fitting. Pertama, mild steel plate 50mm darab 100mm. Kedua, steel ruler. The function is used for marking out and measuring workplace.
Baiklah, yang ketiga, scriber. Fungsinya adalah used for marking cut lines on steel. Yang keempat, working table with vice function. Function vice adalah untuk clamp or hold workpiece for filling and sewing. Yang kelima, L square. Fungsinya adalah drawing straight line and perpendicular line accurately. Yang keenam ialah files. Fungsinya ialah shape, trim and finish metal.
Yang ketujuh, hacksaw. Kegunaannya adalah memotong besi. Nombor 8, bench drill. The function is for make accurate hole using drill bits. Yang kesembilan, drill bits. The function is create circle hole in metal.
Baiklah, yang ke-10 adalah hammer. Fungsinya ialah driving nails, shaping metal, crushing material. Yang ke-11 ialah center punch. Fungsinya make small indentation before drilling. Yang ke-12, chisel. Fungsinya ialah carving required hammer for force. Ke-13, vernier caliper. Fungsinya used for measuring.
Yang ke-14, threading tab. Fungsinya to create internal screw threads. And wrench. The function is to T-handle to hold threading tab. Yang ke-15 is reamer. Function to smooth and finish the internal thread.
Baiklah, kita akan teruskan kepada teori. Yang pertama, fitting workshop overview. Fitting workshop basically Working on components with hand tools and instruments. The hand operations in fitting workshop include marking, filling, sewing, scraping, drilling, tapping, and grinding by using hand tools or power-operated portable tools. Yang kedua, components of a drilling machine. The operations that are commonly performed on drilling machines are drilling, reaming, lapping, boring, counter boring, counter sinking, spot facing, and tapping. This is the operation of making a circular hole by removing a volume of metal from the job by a rotating, cutting tool called drill.
For the safety procedure, we like to talk about personal safety, health, and welfare. First, fire-resistant clothing to protect bodies and arms. Secondly, eye protection, which is usually supplied in the form of a protective shield, used when using a benches drill. Thirdly, safety boots or shoes that have safety metal inside to protect tool from crashing, used when entering the workshop.
Baiklah, di sini terdapat equipment safety and maintenance. A. Always read and follow the safety information in the operator's manual. B. Ensure all connections are tight, including the earth ground. C. Ensure the electrode holder and welding cable are in good condition. D. Ensure all the settings are correct to the task. Workplace safety, health and welfare. A. Lighting conditions are adequate for the work undertaken. B. Housekeeping is extremely important to avoid slips, trips and falls. C. Adequately ventilated and where necessary have local exhaust ventilation. D. Provided with adequate firefighting equipment.
Next, let's take a look about work procedure. A. Use file to remove the iron chips from the plate edge and make the edge flat. 900. Easy to do layout marking and measurement. B. Mark the layout given on the plate by using steel ruler and scriber or vernier height gouge on the granite surface plate and angular plate.
C. Use the center punch and hammer to mark the center of the point to be drilled. D. Start sewing the plate using hacksaw on the working table and clamp the plate on the vise tightly.
E. Choose suitable drill bits to drill on the plate. Clamp the plate on the vise tightly. Wear goggles to protect eyes from the flying chips while drilling. Use coolant when drilling to avoid the plate and the drill bits not overheated. The first hole use 10.5 mm diameter drill bits. The second hole use 3 mm diameter drill bits. For drilling the rectangle shape, use 3 mm diameter drill bits.
Seterusnya, F. Use hammer and chisel to remove the rectangle shape on the plate to form U. G. Use various types of files to make the U shape better looking.
H. Use threading tape to make inner threading at 10.5 mm diameter holes. I. Cut the rod with diameter 12 mm with length 73 mm.
Seterusnya, J. File the top of the stud in rounded shape like a bullet. K. Use threading die to make external threading for the stud. L. The length of external thread is 30 mm while the total length is 70 mm. M. Do filling on the plate to get the shining surface and make the plate thinner as 5 mm. N. Put some oil on the surface to prevent the plate from rust and corrosion.
For the result, this is result what we got from the start and gouge. You gouge and start the mentioned product, and this is the testing result.
Yes, this is our final result for my team, for our team.
For the reference, is the main reference Geneja BL 218 Workshop Manufacturing Practice First Edition in Singlish, India. Additional reference I Bauer HS 215 Workshop Practice Tata McGraw-Hill Publishing CO Ltd. Secondly, Kalpat Jian Schmidt 218 Manufacturing, Engineering and Technology 70 TH Edition Pearson.
Baiklah, itu saja daripada grup kami. Sekiranya ada salah dan silap, mohon maafkan. Jadi terima kasih. Assalamualaikum.